pallet. Can I get a large? No, that's it. Thank you. Not feeling it today. Not feeling it. Left my work clothes at work yesterday. Starting the day off perfect. I'm gonna come out front. I feel like I'm known on this channel for having people just show up to my job because we film here all the time. We've got a special guest at the shop today. Oh wow, right behind me. Didn't even see. I like the GoPro. Right. Yeah, I was looking for the black truck. I was looking for your truck. This is raw form. Raw form. Shout out.
I'll give you 10 seconds to shout your company out. 3, 2, 1, go.
At That Wide Bow Tie, YouTube, Instagram. That's so awkward. Yeah, Weaver doesn't even really have an Instagram.
You know? Well, you should work something out with them.
I let them do that.
Yeah?
Nah, I'm not gonna. Nah, it's not mine. I got too much going on. I was looking for the black truck. What are you doing over here?
I have some paperwork for like 3 months, but you know how it is.
Are you a citizen now?
I've been a U.S. citizen, but I still have my Korean citizen that I need to like get rid of. But you know how it is. You go there and they tell you that they need more paperwork. So
more paperwork. Did you go to ADP today?
No. How far is it from here?
20-30 minutes.
Yeah.
Looking back up north a little bit, it's the opposite way. My boy JW came by to see me at work. He was in town for the day doing something, I don't know, but he came by the shop. Now that he has come by the shop, oh crap. Ooh. Now that he's come by the shop, you already know what time it is. We got some steaks last night. Everybody else is going to lunch, so it's time to get cooking. So I'm gonna go grab my stuff out of the back of the truck. We're parked on this side over here today just because we were stupid busy this morning and needed some more room. So the whole squad's over here today. But I'm excited. Got some little sirloins to cook up today.
The pump that's in it now is the pump that I pulled out of when the gas, when it had the gas. Yeah, but we put another pump in, so that's what we did back in one. Yeah, we put in a hard wet, brand new pump, and that one don't work. Yeah, that was the one that didn't work. Yeah, it's it right.
Ooh, I'm so excited for this, so excited. We tried some lemon pepper today. Ooh. At that. Cooked them a little longer today. That one's just salt and pepper. That shit right there is so good. Your boy's becoming a chef. That lemon pepper, mwah, amazing. All right, guys, excuse the no shirt. Let me give you guys a little bit of an update. So I got off work really late. Started cutting the grass. Went and picked up the lawnmower. Started cutting the grass. Broke the lawnmower. A couple seconds later, fixed the lawnmower, and now I've cut my hand. So afternoon's going pretty solid. That's not bad either. That's a pretty. I should probably do something about that. Yeah. So broke the lawnmower, fixed the lawnmower, cut my hand. Yeah, hell yeah. Never mind. Didn't fix the lawnmower. Damn it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I had every intention of starting the wheel lights on the Tahoe tonight. Like every intention. Like I was gonna do it. But with everything that happened with the lawnmower today, I just don't feel like it. I really don't. I brought all the stuff home. Got everything right here. we're ready to start. At least I was at least gonna put the brackets together tonight, but I just so not in the mood for any of that right now. I really am not. That is how my day is going.
Say what up to the boys! Hey, yeah, y'all go subscribe to Poppin' Clutches. We live on the live right now. What comments coming in? What comments coming in? We live on the live. My boy's running it up. How many subs you at now? Like 1,500? You over 1,500? You over 1,500 subs, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm at 17 right now. 1700.
What up, OC? What up, Archie? All my boys in the vlog. Yeah. All right, I'm about to drop my. Oh shit.
Y'all see that big box truck right there? I get to change tires on that. Great way to start the day. One to go. Boys, it's been a long ass day. I had something special planned for Christina's Tahoe today, but unfortunately some things fell through, and I think we're probably gonna try and do that again tomorrow. So you guys really need to stay tuned. Thank you so much to JW Montoya for sliding through yesterday, coming to see me at work. Huge shout out to him, love seeing him. We gotta get some content together, me and him, here in the near future. I hope you guys stick with the channel. I mean, hit that subscribe button. Day 103 or 4, we're on 104 days. I don't really care what day we're at. We're on the road to 365 days. March 28th of next year is our goal. That's it. We're on the road. I got a bunch of stuff going on, some new mods coming to the channel soon, so you guys need to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. I will see you guys next time. Say it for me one time.
Let's get that bread.
Bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.